Live your purpose. That's what every human being wants in this world. What does purpose mean? The reason for your existence, the reason we exist in this world. A strong determination. In spite of difficulties, we are pursuing to do and aim at the targeted mission. That's what purpose means. It's like a motive, a reason, a goal. We get up in the morning. There is a concept called Ikigai to find our purpose. How to find purpose? Ikigai, Japanese concept, which translate roughly happiness of always being busy. This is the thing every person wants in their life. Those who discover their Ikigai have everything they need for a long and joyful journey through life. Our Ikigai is hidden inside each of us, and finding it requires a patient search. Our Ikigai is a reason we get up in the morning. It is like Vasco da Gama discovered India, Columbus discovered America. The thing which is already present in us, we are going to discover it. To discover the thing within us, we need a patient search. Let's see the concept of Ikigai by Mark Twain in a diagram. This is the concept of Ikigai. This concept is taken from the book Ikigai, the Japanese secret to long and happy life. This book is written by Hector Gracia and Francis Miralles. For better understanding the concept of Ikigai, I have made this division. You can have a paper, pen or pencil with you. The first section, you can write things I love doing. Things I love doing like playing football, painting, dancing, swimming, whatever. Whatever you love doing, you can add those activities in that box. The second box, things I am good at. For example, you may be good at mathematics, you may be good at cooking and so on. In the third box, things the world needs. Things the world needs. What you think the world actually needs. Like love, kindness, leadership and whatever qualities you feel the world want. Not the perception of others. It's all about you. You're finding your purpose, so this all things are about you. So the fourth box, things I can be paid for. So what are the things done by you, you can be paid for that. For example, content creating, painting, for example, teaching and yoga, whatever things you're good at, which you can be paid for. Write those things. Take time to fill those boxes, because the key motto of this concept is finding our purpose and what you're good at and what you're not, what you're capable of and not. So from this concept, you're going to find what are we. So first thing, overlapping of first box and second is our passion, and second one, intersection between first and third is our mission. This mission is nothing but a strongly felt aim, and anything in second and fourth box is our job. It is a short-term thing we are doing for our income, and anything in the third and fourth is our vocation. It's nothing but a career. For example, things the world needs is love, kindness and leadership, and this is the thing we are going to pursue throughout our life from us. And things I can be paid for example, content writing, painting, and that's your career, and you're going to maybe change these things by your actions. This is one of the concepts which can be helpful to find our purpose. And wait for the next part, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.